Hello, Im. My mini fridge is making a hissing noise and not cooling at all. Can you give me some tips on how to fix it?
Thanks. Can you give me any more details about your issue?
I have the fridge pulled in and on the inside it's only making a hissing noise. It's been like this for a week now. I thought it was defrosting at first, but then it stopped working altogether.
Okay, got it. Last thing, appliance technicians generally expect a deposit of about $18 to help with your type of question. You only pay if satisfied. Now I'm going to take you to a page to place a secure deposit with JustAnswer. Don't worry, this chat is saved. After that, we will finish helping you.
It's a Midea compact refrigerator HS 121 liters.
Good morning. If you and number 39, getting a hissing sound and it eventually stopped cooling, unfortunately it sounds like somehow you developed a leak in the Freon system. That will stop the refrigerator from cooling at all. A Freon leak usually costs about $350 plus to repair, so I am number 39. I'm not sure at number 39, it's worth repairing, but that would be what you and number 39, looking at to have someone repair a Freon leak. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Okay, I got a THX for the quick response.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.